have the factory replacements for those. Upgraded 62 millimeter intercooler, custom ducting, so that the air comes right through the scoop. Aux beam headlights, MSD core pack, the same as on the Neon SRT. NGK plugs, quarter Porsche spark plugs from the Boxer. NGK factory Dinan air inbox. Brings in air through the cowl. Custom ducting to the air box. An air diverter custom. Aux beam setup. Untouched. Doesn't come with a factory speaker system or anything. No sounds. That's all supercharger tunes. Shift boot delete. Quick release. Boost gauge. Odometer. Everything's pretty much stock. They come with everything that's included. Mildly racing pistons, forged rods, SolarWorks wheel setup, new belt tensioner, an AC, complete control arm kit, new motor mounts with power flex bushings. Already replaced the lower torque one with the power flex bushings. Power flex. A little bit of, here's the rear window delete, rear tag delete. There used to be some leaking in here. That's fixed. Some bubbling. Not too bad. 2002 OBO.